Hello everyone, it is Wednesday, June 30th, 2010. I'm TSDTRADER from Chartrat.com. Today the S&P 500 was down 1.01%. We had a very large upper shadow, well, relatively large upper shadow compared to the rest of the body, and the lower shadow. Kind of surprising, really. I was really expecting a bounce today. But I did make a lot of money today due to some shorts I initiated. Some very good shorts I initiated. Well, I put in the orders last night. So I think that I think those stocks will continue to move down, and so I think I'm well positioned for a coming significant decrease. But I think I am anticipating a bit of a pullback, bit of a bounce, at least a stall, because I mean, look at this. The S&P is so far oversold that it's scary. Not scary for bulls anyway. Um, it's just I think that we just have to pull back or at least stall here. We don't know when that stall will happen. We might get another down. So I'm not going to go long anticipating a bounce. I'm not a big fan of bounce plays. I just don't think that you can time a pullback exactly. I think time a little more accurately if you're moving down or up in a channel, but so far we really don't have any kind of established channel, so I'm just going to stay short. And volume today I really liked because, well, it declined a little bit from yesterday, which is perfectly understandable because yesterday was a mini version of doomsday for the markets. We still had above average volume, which, well, not above average, but at least not above the 50 period moving average, but it was at least pretty high volume. So I really like that. Just looks even more bearish now to me because of that. Now, just to flip through some of the good shorts I put on. First one, it's not actually one I put on last night, but it's just a nice one I like. Microsoft Corporation. If you're a regular visitor to Chartrat.com, you know that I've been had a lot of posts about my bearishness on Microsoft. And so I first went short here on the 15th, and it turned out to be a really nice trade that I still have on. Again, I'm anticipating a pullback, but I'm not a fan of balance plays. I might lighten up on my position once a pullback begins, because I do think we're in for a fairly significant pullback, maybe to these levels here. But until that starts, I can't know when the pullback's going to begin, so I'm just going to stay short. Next is ENZ, Enzo Biochemical Incorporated. We have broken down early on in ENZ here, back here in early 2010. We pulled back, and now we're moving lower. We were moving lower in a bit of a channel, but breaking down below that, we are coming, strictly speaking, into some support here, but I think that can be penetrated, but with all the bearishness in the market. And if it does get penetrated, a lot of possibility to the bear side. PDC, Pioneer Drilling Corporation, moving down in a nice stair-stepping fashion. So I think we're just going to come down to this lower trend line. That's a lot of potential profit on the short side. ConMed Corporation, again moving down in a stair-stepping fashion, coming down to this lower trend line. A lot of potential for profit. And we're back to Microsoft. That's all for today. I'm TSDTRADER. Good luck and happy trading.